I think what we have factored in is the current situation in China. We see already, particularly around the Shanghai area, first improvements, so an ease of the lockdowns, at least in some parts of the city, which should also, if this trend continue, let's say, lead to an ease, at least in the Shanghai area. But let's not, have any mistake here. In case there will be further infections, China will go for significant additional lockdown measures. That is clear. What in addition we have observed and have been baked into our, I think, conservative prognosis is a decline in GDP, because we have seen by the day declining GDP prognosis, and now we're estimating that GDP should be around, global GDP should be around 3%, growth in specific customer industries, for example, automotive at 6%, electronics around 3%, and that gives you maybe a flavor of what we have baked into our forecast. What has not been baked in, to be absolutely clear, is, for example, a complete shutdown of Russian gas supply to our German sites. That is not yet baked in, but overall, if you take that aside, I would say that our outlook has baked in a few topics, and therefore I would call it more conservative.
Markus, costs going up everywhere for everyone. 10-year government bond yields, bunds, now hitting 1% for the first time since June 2015. 1.002 is the print I've just seen on my screen. So costs going up there, but you mentioned the costs of energy going up for Germany. And look, in your elevated position as president of the German Chemical Industry Association, the VCI as well, you are now having to cope with what some might argue is decades of mismanagement of energy security in Germany and Europe as well. Can German chemical companies, can Covestro cope and maintain profitability and margin with this enormous increase in cost? Because people never thought they needed to think about the reliability of their partner supplying energy.
Steve, very good morning also to you. Steve, I think what is important is, first and foremost, those energy prices and also potential embargoes will affect the entire industry. So there's no, company that has a specific or, better position than others. I think what is absolutely important in the debate is that we look at the facts. And the facts are that there has been a coal embargo, that it looks as if the European Union will go for an oil embargo in a staggered approach, as far as I've understood, but currently a gas embargo is not on the table, and that is good. Why is it good? Because we have been absolutely clear as an industry, but also as Covestro specifically, that mid to long term we need to get rid of fossil fuels as energy source as well as raw material basis. And we now need to learn it the hard way why this is also the best way to do. However, short term, it would be coming with catastrophic consequences if, for example, we would go for a gas embargo, as that would mean that the entire chemical industry, not only in Germany, but also across Europe, would be unable to supply, heavily needed goods. 95% of industrial goods in Germany, and same order of magnitude in other countries of the European Union, as well as the UK.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.